Hi, my name is Lawson and I'm going to show how to set up your indoor garden. First, add your water. Then add your tank decorations. And your pump. Make sure to take out the chlorine before adding the fish. Then add your fish. The fish have to get used to the temperature of the water in the tank instead of the bag. Now add your grow bed. Then connect your pump. Then add your clay foundation. Plug your pump into the timer. Set your timer to go off every hour for 15 minutes. Then add your seeds and watch your garden sprout to life.